Okay, today topic is sum of infinite geometric sequence. Formula for finding the sum of infinite geometric series, that is S is equal to LIM means limit, n turns to infinity means number of terms in this sequence are undefined, they are unlimited, they are infinite. So A over 1 minus R, this is the formula, and what is A and what is R we will discuss next. Let's proceed. Question is this: find the sum of infinite geometric progression. So we are given this sequence, either this progression 2 square root and 1, this is the geometric progression, and these dotted means this sequence is infinite. So now how do we find the sum of this sequence? So this first term is called A1. In all the sequences, arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence and harmonic sequence, this first term is called, we name it A1. And what is the value of R? R in the geometric progression, R is a particular number which we multiply with this first term, we get the second term, and with the same particular number with we multiply this the second term, answer is third term, and so on. So how do we get that R, which is called common ratio? That is A2 over A1, either A3 over A2, any second term divided by first term, either third term divided by second term, we get the value of R. A2 over A1, A2 is here 2 square root over 2. So if we simplify this, we will get 1 over 2 square root. So in mathematics, everybody know okay, how it came this 1 over 2 square root. So what is the value of S? A over 1 minus R. This is the formula for finding the sum of infinite geometric progression, A over 1 minus R. So we got here A is 2 and 1 minus R, R is 1 by 2 square root, and 1 by 2 square root is less than 1. What does it mean in this bracket? This R is less than 1. If here R is less than 1, we will use 1 minus R. If the value of R is greater than 1, so we will take here R minus 1, not 1 minus R. So in this case, value of R is less than 1, so we are using 1 minus R. Again listen, if the value of R is greater than 1, so we will use here in this formula R minus 1. So put the values of A and R in this. So if we simplify this, take LCM of these fractions, so it will become 2 square root minus 1. So here is 2 square root in the denominator of this fraction, so it will go up and will multiply with this numerator 2 into 2 square root. So if we rationalize this fraction 2 square root minus 1, so after rationalization 2 square root minus 1, conjugate of this number 2 square root minus 1 is 2 square root plus 1. So if now after simplification multiply this 2 into 2 square root with this, so it will become 2 square root into 2 square root 2, 2 into 2 it will become 4, plus 2 into 2 square root into 1, answer is this, over 1. Where from we got this one? A minus 1, A minus B into A plus B. This is the formula. A minus B into A plus B, it will become A square minus B square. So square 2 square root whole square, that will become 2, minus 1 square is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So finally we got the value of this as 4 plus 2 into 2 square root, which is the sum of this geometric progression.